Looking for a way to grow your business and get connected? Bay East Platinum Affiliate membership opens the door to great opportunities, resources, and relationships. But don't just take my word for it.
One of my favorite benefits is the visibility, especially through advertising opportunities at Bay East events and being featured in the Find a Platinum Affiliate section on the Bay East website.
I love the networking and education opportunities. It's a great way to connect with realtors, share ideas, and stay on top of what's happening in the industry.
What stands out to me is how Bay East helps affiliates stay involved and supported. It's a great community, and the benefits really help you make the most out of your membership.
Bay East offers so much support, from professional headshots to remote computer support and members helping members. It all adds value.
And with opportunities to volunteer at Bay East and the incredible discounts you're going to get for home services, appliances, travel, and more, your membership is going to more than pay for itself while you make a difference on your community.
Becoming a Bay East member and serving in leadership has helped me personally, professionally, and in my nonprofit work. And doing so gives you access to all of the work groups, committees, and task force. There's a place for everyone's passion and talents here at Bay East. Become a Platinum Affiliate today.